This is going to be a video about TFT cards and the damage you do when you're pushing them in and pulling them out of the slot over a period of time. And I'm going to put it up under my USB microscope. You can see right there how many scratches and tears that the pads has on it. And also, kind of looks like it might be dirty or something. I don't know how that got on there. Or maybe that's just the silver inside the pad. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some just some alcohol, and I'm going to clean these pads, and I'm going to see if that will get this little TFT card working. So I'm just going to put just a drop of it, alcohol in there. All that is, I think it's like 90% alcohol. Trying to do this on camera, but anyway, what I'm doing, I'm just taking a Q-tip and some rubbing alcohol and cleaning the pads with it. I'm ready to put my TFT card into the computer card reader slot. It's popping up open folder to view files. So I'm going to go ahead and try formatting it and see if it'll format. Before I will get this far, it will never format it. Let's start it. It's got a warning saying that it's going to erase the data. And the format's complete. So it's looking like it may have worked. Let's see if I can send this to the TFT card. Send to removable disk. Now let's see if it did it. It worked. There it is. So cleaning it and reformatting it actually made it work. But it never worked before I cleaned it. I could try formatting it. It would make you think it was working. But cleaning it is what got it going. Ain't no doubt about that. So if you have a TFT card and it's not working, just try cleaning the pads on it, and maybe that might get it to work. It may not, but it's worth a try. Anyway, there you are. Thanks for watching.